guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we will be trying Omorovicza's Deep Cleansing Mask. Now, I do want to say this before we start this video. Rich people, y'all really need to exit left, okay? Because, you know, every time I do a video with expensive skincare, I don't know if it's the rich people or maybe the broke people trying to be rich. They always talk about how they can't take this review of this expensive skincare seriously because, you know, I be joking. I 9 out of 10 think it's the broke people pretending to be rich that be saying that, because we already know on this channel how messy and classless a lot of rich people is. I mean, honestly, us broke people have way more class than these rich people. But if you got something to say in the comment section, rich people, I could take it low to the flow as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. So here is the mask. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit out of it. That's how much. Then we are going to swatch it. That is the swatch of the product. What do you guys think? Real creamy Omorovicza. Okay, so it's giving me real floral flower, highly scented, like I'm a rich girl living somewhere in a high-rise apartment building in New York, just spraying those floral herbs. I mean literally it smells like. I am not a Beautylish correspondent or anything of that, but I just want y'all to know, I do have a 15 milliliter one that is $36, and I like that they have various sizes. They have a 100 milliliter one that is $180, Lord, girl, and then the 51, which is $125. So if you do want to try it, you could get the smaller one for $36. I did want to mention that. So let's apply this really expensive mask. Oh, if I was a rich girl, I'm about to get demonetized. I have all the masks in the world. I mean, that's just what I feel like, slathering myself in this mask. So I've applied this beautiful mask to my face. It says wait 15 minutes. I have my trusty 15-minute timer here. So we wait 15 minutes. You know, I was very curious as to why this mask is very, very pricey, even though you could get a smaller one for $36. I do want to say that. It says much more than a deep cleansing treatment. This mask harnessed the power of the transformative Hungarian Moor mud, rich in calcium and magnesium to clear congested pores, draw out impurities. Skin appears instantly clearer. So I thought that Hungarian mud was just gonna be Kaylin Clay. But Hungarian Moor mud is actually a thing, y'all. I was so shocked. It says more mud is good for being an antibiotic and astringent. The mud has a cleansing effect on the skin and is used in skincare as a facial or an entire body pack. More mud treatment improves circulation, staves off wrinkles, and gives the skin a healthy glow. And it's also used to treat skin problems like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. And I do want to say this mask is really like tingling. I mean, you can even say it's burning right now, but it's giving you that tingling, burning effect. If you want to feel like it's working, it's literally working. So the mask is dry. It almost dries like a velvet powder. It's not really harsh at all. Like, I am shocked. I am going to go ahead and rinse my face. So my face is dripping wet, and I am going to go ahead and dry my face. So here is my skin after the mask. What do you guys think? Is that glow? Is that glow? Is that rich people glow? What? Is that diamonds? I'm just joking. Disregard the acne and hyperpigmentation, but did y'all see a glistening of diamonds? Here is my other face. Let me turn the light down. Y'all, I'm thinking that mask is making me glow and diamond. It may be the lens needs to be cleaned or like the screen finder, because I'm really thinking I'm glowing here. Here is my forehead. And here is my chin. What do you guys think? Let me get the mirror. Did that Omorovicza mask make me glow? Or is that, y'all, did I put something on my face? You know what? I wiped my face with the shirt that probably had glitter on it. Y'all, ignore the glitter. It was my shirt. I wiped my face with a shirt. I had a clean towelette to dry my face with, but I opted for the shirt. So that's what the glitter is coming from. I'm a mess. With that being said, we have a lot to discuss. So let's talk about it. So here are my final thoughts. You know, every time we review rich products on the channel or like expensive skincare, I always am ready to drag them because I just kind of feel like the price tag is horrendous. But over the course of using this product for a few months, comparing it and contrasting it, different mud masks, they didn't include the More Mud, but they did include a title called Deep Cleansing, and they were a little cheaper than this. I am going to say I actually like this product. I think it's very hydrating. Y'all may think I used a lot, and I probably did, but a little bit of this product goes a long way. It's not going to dry your skin out. If you have sensitive skin, very dry leaning, eczema leaning, but you do love your mud mask, or you do love any type of mask that tightens your pores and cleans your pores, I think you will really enjoy this mask. It is very gentle on the skin. It's actually very hydrating. I've noticed that my skincare sets nicely after using this mask. Also, it's not hard to come off. I was really shocked that this mask was very, very gentle on the skin. Scent over time is very, very subtle, so it's not loud, it's not overwhelming. If you're a person who gets really irritated by fragrances in your skincare or just in your mask and they can be very loud, this one isn't. Once you rinse it off your face, the scent subsides. It's a very nice product. If you're looking for a very hard mask that dries hard and tightens the skin, you won't get that with this mask. This mask does tighten the skin. It does give you a burning / tingling sensation, but it is not going to be hard and rough on the skin as opposed to other mud masks you would try. It's just not that type of mask. It's really very gentle, and I think it's perfect for self-care day. If you're looking for a special treat, you know, when we do expensive skincare on the channel, I do consider it a special treat. This is an amazing treat that if you do decide to get it, you really will enjoy this product and it won't disappoint you. You know, sometimes when you will buy expensive skincare for your self-care day and you get it and you know it's botched, this one isn't. With that being said, you guys, those are all my final thoughts on the Omorovicza Deep Cleansing Mud Mask. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.